So, like I told you, we are going to be learning about one continent in particular. So today the continent that we are going to learn about is North America. So we have already seen the divisions, that is the different countries in North America. So what else can we learn? So we are going to learn about it in general, the physical divisions. You see, first, it is the third largest continent. So we have learnt about 7 continents. I'm sure you remember the name of the 7 continents. And this North America is the third largest continent. And then its area. So we need to know the area. It is 93,55,000 square miles. So that is the area of North America. Now, they're talking about its shape. It is roughly shaped like a triangle. See, if you look at the map, it is shaped like a triangle. So can you make that out? So that is the shape, not exactly but roughly. So that is the third point. Now, bounded by. So what do we mean by that? It means we are going to say what is around this continent. So it is bounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north. See, north, you should know directions here. So this is the continent we are talking about. To the north we have the Arctic Ocean. So we are going to say what is binding this country. This continent is bounded by what on all 4 sides. So to the north we have the Arctic Ocean. So you have seen that. Next, we have the North Atlantic Ocean to the east. So which is the east? See, this is, in the map you have a direction denoting this is north. So this will be east. So what is there to the east? It is the North Atlantic Ocean. Then the Caribbean Sea to the south. So south will be here, down. So we have the Caribbean Sea here. And then North Pacific Ocean to the west. So see, this side would be the west. We have the North Pacific Ocean there. So now, what can you say about this country? It is the third largest continent. We know its area. The rough shape is a triangle, right? The mainland. This does not include the islands. Here you see, here we have a group of islands. Here also we have islands. But the mainland is shaped like a triangle. And then its boundaries. So in the north we have the Arctic Ocean. In the south we have the Caribbean Sea. To the east it is the North Atlantic Ocean. And to the west it is the North Pacific Ocean. So now we have learned in general about this continent, what are the countries present in it and what are the boundaries. So now we will learn about each of these countries a little bit in detail. So are you ready to learn? So now we are going to see about each of these countries. So we know what are the countries in North America. So we have Canada, the United States of America, and Mexico. Plus you have a number of islands. So we are going to see in detail about each of these. So first, did you know the world's largest island, Greenland, belongs to North America? See, this thing is Greenland. It is the world's largest island. So if anyone asks you which is the world's largest island, remember it is Greenland. Then, to know in general, North America has 23 sovereign states. So that is something you need to know in general. Now, we are going to first begin with the country Canada. So Canada is the world's second largest country by area. So when you are talking about the largest or the second largest or the smallest, you need to be careful, see, by total area. Sometimes they classify them based on the population. So it differs. So here Canada is the world's second largest country when it comes to the total area. So which would be the first? Can you look at the map and guess? Yes, it is Russia. So Russia would be the largest country by area. Canada is the second largest. Then, which is the capital of Canada? It is Ottawa. So try and find the capital on the map. See, it is marked here with a star. So if you have a map at home, try and find the capital of all the countries. So today, since we are learning about North America, go through, find the capitals of the countries in North America. So it is very simple, there are not many countries here. So the capital is Ottawa and some other cities in this place. So the largest metropolitan areas are Toronto, Montreal and Vancouver. So these are the names of some of the cities in Canada. And then the official languages. So the languages they speak there are English and French. So there are two official languages there, English and French. The currency they use is the Canadian dollar. So this you must be knowing, but it is something you need to know in general. So once again, what did we learn here? The most important thing, the world's largest island, Greenland, belongs to North America. Then we learnt about Canada. So Canada is the second largest country in terms of area. So in terms of area, that is very important because sometimes they give you in terms of population. So that time it will be different. So in terms of area, and then the capital of that country is Ottawa. Some other cities there. So you might have heard the names of these cities and now you know where they are situated. So Toronto, Montreal, Vancouver. The official languages here are English and French. And the currency they use is the Canadian dollar. So I hope you have now gained some knowledge about Canada. So are you ready to move on and learn about the other countries as well?
Pebbles CBSE Board Syllabus.